Hello everyone, myself Shivakumar. Today we are going to see the Wireshark lab, the DHCP. So in this lab, we are going to see the working principle of the DHCP protocol and what is the use of the DHCP and how the DHCP is going to be useful in the networking protocol. So we also trace these packets of DHCP using the Wireshark also. We are going to see in this lab. So what is mean by DHCP? First of all, we have to know what is meant by DHCP. DHCP stands for the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a network management protocol. It means it is going to manage the different type of the IP addresses and the protocols sent by the this client and to the server, and from that server to the client. It is a peer-to-peer model. So the DHCP uses a client-server architecture. That is the peer-to-peer architecture. It is also allows the device to use the networks services such as a domain name system, NTP, and any communication protocols based upon the user datagram protocol and the transaction control protocol. So, what is the real use of DHCP? We are going to see. So, DHCP simplifies the administration of IP settings and reduces the manual configuration efforts. So, the DHCP uses the IP settings. So, by using these IP settings, we are going to manually or we efficiently get the high accuracy of using the internet protocols. And it enables the efficient IP address allocation, system management with the different type of the protocols with the TCP, UDP, and manages the dynamic updates in the network environment. So, how this DHCP experiment is going to work in the Wireshark lab, we are going to see now. First of all, set up it. Prepare the lab manual by configuring the DHCP server and client machines. Now, second step is going to DHCP release. We are going to release the TCP requests from the client server to the server server. That is peer-to-peer model. TCP is requesting some of the messages, then the server is going to redirect the information by to the client server and renewal and release method. So for this one we are going to use the lab of DHCP. So this is the Wireshark lab of DHCP. So for this the working of DHCP, first of all we have to run some of the commands using our command prompt. Here you can see there is a Wireshark there is a zip. Why they have given you this one means if you are unable to run the live captioning of the packets in the Wireshark, then you can download this file and extract all the files. In that file, you can see the DHCP XL trace one. That is, you can see here. So in this you can see the DHCP original trace one file. So I am going to use this file. If you are unable to run the Wireshark lab live captures, then you can open this file and you can run because this file is already run by some of the recruited persons using the Wireshark. So first we use the command prompt. That is, they are saying for a DHCP experiment, use your command prompt first. What they are saying, being by opening the window command application. So I'm going to use the command prompt. So what they are saying, figure one enter, IP configure and release. So I'm going to enter this one. IP configure and release. Here you can see no operation is still now. No operation can be performed on Wi-Fi while it is has been disconnected. So why this is not showing the performance of the operation is we are going to see now because now we are not capturing any packets. That's why it is showing the performance is not connected. It is disconnected. If we are going to capture the packets using the browser, then it shows the media is going to connect it. So here you can see the different type of the LAN connection and Ethernet connection. All are the IP configuration you can see here. Then next step we are going to see. Now they are saying start up the Wireshark package sniffer and as described in the introduction Wireshark lab and detail Wireshark capture. So I am going to use the Ethernet here. So use the Ethernet. So before going to check, I calculate Ethernet 2. So here we are going to packet the capture or the packets. So now what we are saying, now go back to the command prompt window and use IP configure renew. So I can use this command. Use a command prompt for the second command. So enter. So no operation can be Windows 80 configuration. So now they are not saying that the media is not connected. So we can check for the second one now. This instructs the host to obtain a network configuration including a new IP address, figure 1. The host IP address is 192.168.1.108. So I am using here. Local address is 172. So I am getting the different one here. So get to the packets. So we can see the next one. Now wait until the IP configuration is terminated. Then enter the same command IP configure venue. So we will check again once again this one. IP configure venue. Still it is showing Windows IP config comparing. So we can check the second one. Wait the second one minutes. Enter the command IP configure release. So we can use this command now. Use IP configure release command here. So it is going to redirect to the LAN. So you can see the media is now disconnected. It will configure into the LAN using the Wi-Fi. So let me check for a second time. The IP configure revenue. Here you can see the media is not connected. So now I can check for the IP configure renew here again once again. So here you can see the IP configurations is now disconnected. Now we go to the now go to Wireshark and stop the packet capture. So now they have stop the packet capture, then protocol. So now going to this Wireshark lab. I got same this one. You can see here how I got. This is the. So what they are saying use the we need to enter the boot TP and not DHCP in the filter. So we have to use the boot, not the DHCP in this one. They are now going to answer these questions. For example, you can use in the packet filter. You can also use DHCP. So DHCP filter, what are the packets of the DHCP are here. So according to that, you can use DHCP or you can also use boot also. Here you can see boot also using the same DHCP configurations only. So you can use DHCP instead of the boot only. So I have got the requests. Now answer the questions 1 to handle. Answer the question given here. So are DHCP messages sent over UDP or TCP? The first question is asking that DHCP messages are sent over UDP or TCP. Let me check for that. So I am selecting the first DHCP. This is the first message. Here you can see it is sent over user datagram protocol. It is sent over the UDP, not TCP. And DHCP can see download the protocol. This is how they are sent. So it is the packets sent over UDP, not TCP. Try timing datagram list in sequence are the first four packets discovery, discover, offer, request, and DHCP exchange between the client and server. So what they are asking for? They are asking for the time. Try timing datagram. So this is the request, this is DHCP, and this is the discover, this is the offer. So for the discover, I'm going to draw the timetable. So I will use the TCP statement of here. Here you can see the source address. It is the source address, and here also you can get the time and for the different type of the packet is capturing and different type of the capture point from the using Ethernet 2. So these are the different protocols of discover, ACK, and release. So we have got the second question. Now what is the link layer? Example Ethernet address of your host. Link layer address. They are asking for the link layer address. Example is selecting CK. Here you can see Ethernet 2. That is the source address is Cisco AF/B1 7201B5. This is the total address of the Ethernet I am using. This is the destination address. This is the source address. Here you can see the type is IPv4. So what is the value of the transaction ID in each of the first four? They are asking for the transaction ID of the first four. Here you can see the transaction ID of the first four. As for the request, the transaction ID is 0x3 and this one for ACK. The transaction ID is 30961. It is same. For the ACK release, it is different. It is showing B99. The offer, it is showing 54998. So these are the transaction IDs. Here you can see. Now a host uses the DHCP to obtain IP address and the other things. Indicate the source name. So they are saying for the DHCP request message. So this is the request DHCP. So it is going from here and it is entering into from this is the entry point and this is the exit point. If you want to know the time of this, you can go to 108.77 minus 24.03. So we will get the timing of this one. But again, you can also here you get if you want timestamp from the first and the previous one. Here you can see it is showing UDP load as the 216 bytes. What is the IP address of your DHCP server? So they are asking for the DHCP server IP address. Here you can see the DHCP boot request. Here you can see our client IP address is client IP address is 172.168.168.78. This is the client IP address. And its IP are MAC address, hardware address, adding address. All you can see here in the dynamic host configuration protocol request. What is the IP address of the DHCP server offering to your host in the DHCP offer message? Offer message. Here you can see that request. This is the offer message. This is the offer message. What is the IP address they are asking? So you can see here the IP address is 172.168.167. But the next server IP address is changing from 55 to 1. So it is continuously changing for the agent IP address. The example screenshot in this assignment, there is no delay in the host. Explain the purpose of the offer and subnet managed in DHCP. So these are the general questions which you are going to answer by using the concept of the DHCP. So these are the things we are going to learn in the DHCP protocol and how the DHCP is running protocol. We have seen in this one. So we have to know about the how we are going to use this DHCP using command prompt. Why we have used the command prompt for the DHCP configuration? Because DHCP is uses the DHCP command to obtain the details that is about the network interfaces and the DHCP releases information for the troubleshooting. So if you are any error, this IP configuration will be redirected to the Wireshark lab. So for that one we have used the IP command prompt. And for the renewal and release we have used the different type of command prompts. And for the diagnostic queries we have used the DHCP. So why we have what is the boot and what is DHCP protocols? Boot is not about bootstrap protocol, but DHCP is a dynamic host configuration protocol. We have used, you can use the boot or you can also use the DHCP protocol. Thank you for everyone. Here you can see the DHCP protocol. Thank you for everyone.